Okay guys, so I've dug this hole out and I think I have it isolated here on the side. Hey, what's that? Yes. Okay, let's see what this is. I like the way it looks. Hey everyone, J-Man is back with you from Metal Sharks, and I'm here at the 1950s permission and former dairy farm on several acres. And it's March 3rd, it's in the mid-50s, so mild and pleasant weather, so I'm pumped up to get after it. I've got a few hours to hunt out here, so let's give it a whirl. Hope you enjoy this one. Okay, so I've dug out my first hole here, and I had a upper 20s, lower 30s signal, so let's see if we can get it. Okay guys, so I had a upper 20s, lower 30s signal here, and I think I have it isolated in this hole here. A couple of shovels dug out, so let's get after it. Oh gee, see it right there, popped out. So right over here, got our first coin of the day, so we're glad to get it. Looks like a nice quarter, and I think that says 79. So I'm glad to get that, an older quarter on the property. So let's keep looking and see if there's more here. So up next I've got a 26, 28, about 8 to 10 inches deep. So let's get it and show you. So I've dug out this hole a little bit with this mid-20 signal. And I want to try to isolate it here and show you. So it's right here. Okay, I did find it, but this time it's just a piece of a Lincoln Memorial penny that got badly eaten up here over time. So I decided to move out into the pasture where we recently found some musket balls and other neat things. Yeah, now I'm getting a nice 18, 19, pretty clear signal, only about 8 inches. So let me get that and show you. Okay guys, so I've dug this hole out and I think I have it isolated here on the side. Somewhere over here. At it for a second. Okay. Hey, what's that? Yes. Okay, let's see what this is. I like the way it looks. I think it's some kind of medallion. Looks like a flower or something at the top. And it's gold colored. I don't know what it's made of. Let's see if I can get it better in the light here. Okay everybody, so I'm seeing a 4H design here on this side with some livestock. And then on this side there's some wording, but I can't quite make it out yet. So I'll have to get that home and clean it up with a toothbrush and show you the results. So I'm very excited about that, and I'm looking forward to telling you more about it. Okay guys, I think there are about 2 holes dug out here. I was a little bit off on my pinpointing here, but I think I have it off on the side. So let's see what we got here. Here's somewhere. Hey, here's something. Okay, it's a round object. Not sure what that is. Let me bring it up in the light. Okay, I can't tell much about it, but I'm going to pour some water on it and try to tell you more now, or at least in the wrap-up. But it's pretty interesting. Bears further investigation for sure. So here's a good signal. 21, 22, 26, about 8 inches deep. So let's get it and show you. Okay, so I believe I have it in the plug here. There it is. It's like an old head stamp, but not too old. So I can still see some of the plastic on it. But I'll take it. Okay, so my next plug here is along the east fence line of the property, and I think I have it isolated over here, the side pile. Something small. Is this it? What is that? Something small and round, maybe bent. I'm not sure what it is. But let me rinse that off with water and try to show you more here. Might be something good, I'm not sure yet. Hey everyone, so I moved over near a creek on the property, and I got this 1416, and I think it's a smashed bullet, so I want to show that to you. But hopefully I can clean it up more and tell you more in the wrap. Hey guys, this is where I've been hunting the last little while, is on one side of this creek or gully. So as you can tell, we've had a pretty good amount of rain lately. The water level's pretty high. Sometimes it's barely any water at all in the creek. But I'm going to try along here a little bit more and then maybe go up to the dirt road up there and cross over the creek. Just wanted to show you this spot on the border with the neighbor where you can see the creek flows out here. So it's pretty high up on this side, and it's flowing out about 4 feet down over there. And then on another neighbor's property, there's a beautiful horse over there. As you can see. Hey guys, so this is interesting near the creek area. I was getting this low 30 signal. And at first I thought maybe this was a piece of a hose, like a nozzle. But actually I think it might be a really large spark plug. So that could be really old, like maybe from a Model T or something, like other Model T Ford parts found on this property. So I have to clean that up and try to figure out more about it. But that's cool, I'm glad to get that. 25. Thought I heard thunder in the distance. Not too deep, so I can tell there's a big iron object that I'm just going to have to pry out. Okay, what do we have here? Gee whiz. That is big. There's a loop on this end. I don't know what it is. Let's see if I can knock some dirt out. Well, that's strange. I do not know what that is at all. What could that be? It almost looks like a trap for an animal, but I don't know. Maybe it's an old trap, like you stake it down, but I'm not sure. But maybe some viewers will have ideas. This piece just popped out of it. Well, I guess I'll take this up in the barn, and then maybe we can clean it up later and figure it out. Hey guys, I'm about getting short on time here. Wanted to go meet some family for dinner soon. But getting a good signal, 2931, and it's right at the foot of this big oak tree that I've never really tried before. It's on the north side of the property. So let me get it and show you. So the signal I was getting turned out to be these 5 links from a chain. So maybe there's more chain here. I'll have to look around. So here's an interesting piece. First I thought it might be a harmonica reed, but I'm not sure because it's pretty shiny on this side. But maybe I can clean that up and tell you more in the wrap up. Hey everyone, Jay Van is back with you from Metal Sharks, and this is a wrap up from hunting on March 3rd. So here is by far my best item. Really thrilled to have this. It's my first golden item of 2021. So as you can see, this is a 4-H dairy medallion. Beautiful design on the front with cows in the field and the 4-H leaf up the top. And the wording is hard to read here, so I'm going to try to clean that up when I get home, using a soft toothbrush probably. Now these three items, I'm not sure what they are, so I'd appreciate any insights that you may have. I think they're related. They're shaped in a similar way. So please drop any comments on those. And then this looks like it could be a Winchester design shell head stamp, but I'm not sure. This looks like a smashed bullet. Interesting find. I'm not sure what this piece is, so I appreciate any comments. And then a nice 1979 quarter, 3 roached up pennies. And this was pretty cool, and I'm going to try to clean it up some more. A really large spark plug. Piece of chain, a zipper pull fragment. I think this might be the end piece of a key. An old lighter that was an eye find, and various other trash.
Albert Belmont A.B. Graham was the founder of the youth development program known as 4-H. He was born in 1868 and died in 1960. Graham was an Ohio teacher who loved farm living and rural traditions. He was also the father of 5 children. In 1902, he debuted a Boys and Girls Agriculture or Experiment Club in a Springfield, Ohio basement. In 1910, the clover logo was designed with a letter H on each leaf. By 1912, this led to the use of the name 4-H clubs. The H's stand for head, heart, hands, and health, and represent taking a balanced training approach for each child served in the program. Today, 4-H serves more than 6 million members in 90,000 clubs throughout the United States.
Hey everyone, so here is what I thought was a trap when I asked my dad, John Long Silver, about it. Yes, indeed, it is a trap for moles. So you can see it has a ring up there, and this piece is a spring along here, and it has these spikes to press it down in the ground. This latch piece popped off of it, so I'm going to leave that with the homeowner in case he wants to clean it up one day. Part of the history of the property. My theory is maybe back in the day the dairy farmers didn't want moles to create holes that the cows would twist their ankles in. So that's as good a theory as any, but let me know if you viewers have any other comments.